In addition to tab menus, we can also create pill menus. This HTML page has an example of both an inline pill menu and a vertical pill menu. We'll start with the inline menu. In order to create an inline menu, we start with creating an unordered list and setting the class to nav and nav pills. Next, we create our list items. You can see that we have 4 list items. Each list item has a link element and the list item label. So we have link 1, link 2, link 3, and link 4. You'll also notice that list item 1 has a class attribute which is set to active. And this is the reason that link 1 is highlighted in blue. We can also create vertical or stacked pill menus. And to do that, we simply need to add the class nav stacked to our existing class in the UL tag. And so if I save the file and refresh, we can see that the menu items are now stacked. In the second pill menu example, we've created a drop-down menu on list item 2. As you can see, when link 2 is clicked, a menu appears with 3 additional links. To do this, create a list item and set the class to drop-down. So you can see that below list item number 1, which is link 1, we've added a list element and set the class to drop down. Next, we create a link element and set the class to drop down toggle with a data toggle attribute set to drop down. Attach an empty link using the href attribute. And once you've defined your label, in this case we called it link 2, we also added a span element with the class set to caret. And remember, that's the drop down arrow. So after you've done that, you can create your unordered list item, okay, and set the class to drop down menu. Inside the unordered list, you can create all your list items. So you can see we have sublink 1, sublink 2, and sublink 3. Each has a link element with the href set to an empty link, so just the pound symbol.